Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to make soap. To know the exact amount of soap base needed for your mold, fill the soap mold with water all the way up to the top, then pour that water into a measuring cup. That's your soap volume. Now use a sharp knife to cut the soap base into small even cubes or chunks and add the chunks into the microwave-safe glass measuring cup until they reach about double the amount you need. Why double? Because the gasps between soap cubes take up space, so doubling helps you melt enough soap to fill the mold later. Now microwave the soapy base in 30-second intervals, stirring gently after each round until completely. And if you need to add more soap cubes, just drop them in and continue microwaving in for 15-second bursts until the chunks are gone. Now once fully melted, add your desired soap coloring and add essential oil for fragrance. Stir the mixture gently, then pour it slowly into molds up the very top edge and let the mold sit and distribute it for a while, then the soap will solidify. Now once the soap has set completely, gently pop it out of the mold and trim any rough edges if necessary, and your soap is ready. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.